the smell of JP8 in the morning. Sun coming up on a cold flight line. Radios crackle, ramp lights glowing. Another long shift right on time. Vipers waiting, Raptors ready, tankers heavy, pointed west. Pilots got plans and wings on standby. We're the ones who fill their chest. Keep it clean, keep it dry, keep it on spec. Count every gallon, every hose, every check. Don't spill it, don't foul it, don't ever run out. That's what the fuel dogs are all about. Big green truck rolling down the line. JAL in overtime. Big green truck when the mission calls. Who the hell? POL. Vipers, Raptors, tankers too. They don't fly till we get through. Big green truck, day or night. Fuel and freedom, feeding the fire. Pipeline, tank truck, railhead rolling. That's how the mission first comes in. Store it safe and issue it forward. Then turn around and do it again. Head 300s, hydrant hose trucks, hose carts stretched out by the wing. Pressure steady, filters running, clean fuel flowing through everything. Keep it clean, keep it dry, keep it on spec. Test every drop before it hits the deck. Don't spill it, don't foul it, don't ever run out. That's what the fuel dogs all about. Big green truck rolling down the line. Jet A in overtime. Big green truck when the mission calls. Who the hell? POL. Vipers, Raptors, tankers too. They don't fly till we get through. Big green truck, day or night. Fuel and freedom, feeding the fight. Letters in the desert, blivets in the rain. Pumps and filters keeping pressure in the veins. FMFC, Force, ABF days. Different names, same fuel dog test. No one sees the hours, but everybody knows. Nothing leaves the ramp till the fuel line flows. When the war kicks off or the exercise calls, one airman can move 1,000,000 gallons for all. Big